Alright, so first things first, what exactly is Amazon affiliate marketing? For anyone that's new to this and doesn't know exactly what it is. So Amazon affiliate marketing is simply where you're going to promote all of the different products that are available on Amazon right now. You're going to be given a unique link, and when someone clicks on your link, buys the product, you're going to be able to make a commission. So it's a very straightforward online business model that can definitely help you start generating passive income, but at the same time, there's different pros and different cons that you need to be aware of. And I've broken down 3 cons and 3 pros in this image right here. So starting off with one of the first cons, you're going to have to deal with getting lower commission rates compared to various different affiliate programs that are out there. So there's so many different ways that you can actually do affiliate marketing, and Amazon Associates is just one of the methods. But I can definitely say that over my many years of using the Amazon Associates program to promote various different products, the biggest con in my opinion is the fact that you don't really get paid that much. But of course, there's different things that you need to be aware of for you to be able to maximize the amount of money, which I'm going to speak about in a moment. But straight away, you guys need to be aware of the fact that you are going to get lower commission rates every single time that someone buys a product using your Amazon link. The second con is that you're not going to be able to make recurring commissions. And if you don't know exactly what recurring commissions is, it's simply where you're going to be able to make money every single month for as long as that person uses that product or service. So with other affiliate programs out there, you're going to be able to make recurring commissions. However, when it comes to promoting the products on Amazon, because it's a one-time purchase, you're only going to be able to make a commission that one single time. So that's definitely something that you need to consider. And the third and final con that I'm going to speak about in this video is that there's only a 24-hour cookie period. And for those of you that don't really know exactly what a cookie period is, this is simply the amount of days or the amount of time that Amazon is going to give that potential customer to buy the product after they've clicked on your link for you to be able to make a commission. So for example, if a customer clicks on your link on a Monday, but they don't buy the product until Wednesday, then you're not going to be able to make that commission. However, there are some pros when it comes to using the Amazon Associates program. The first one is that there's no real hesitation for people to buy products. Because most people are familiar with Amazon and they trust the Amazon platform, from the moment that they click on your unique link and they get taken to Amazon, if they see the product that they want to buy, there's no real decision making that's going to be needed. And the second pro is that customers may buy multiple products at the same time. So one of the biggest advantages when it comes to using Amazon, when it comes to doing affiliate marketing, is that if someone clicks on your link and they buy, let's say, a completely different product, or maybe they buy multiple different products at the same time, as long as it's within the 24-hour period, you're still going to be able to make a commission for all of those different items, even if you didn't recommend the rest of the items in their basket. Which now brings me on to the third pro, which is that there's an endless amount of products to promote. So if you are thinking about centering your entire affiliate marketing business around the Amazon Associates program, it's not going to be really difficult for you to find products to promote, because they've got multiple hundreds of thousands of different products available on their platform, ready for you to get the affiliate links so you can start sending it out to people so that you can make commissions. So now that you're aware of the different pros and cons, the second thing that I want to discuss is the things that you need to be aware of when it comes to the actual sign up process. So first things first, when it comes to finding the place for you to actually do the application, you need to go over to the main Amazon homepage, which is either amazon.com or amazon.co.uk, depending on where you're based around the world. Then what you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom, and then you're going to see the section here where it says make money with us, and then you're going to see this section where it says become an affiliate. So you just need to click on that. It's going to take you to this page over here. So I'd recommend that you read through what you need to know, what you need to do, and all of the different frequently asked questions. But after you've gone through all of that, you then need to click on sign up, and then after that it's going to take you to a similar page just like this. Now, one of the first most important things I want you guys to be aware of when it comes to being accepted on the Amazon Associates program is that you need some sort of a platform. And when I say platform, you need some sort of social media, YouTube, maybe a blog website. You need to prove to them that you're going to be able to get organic traffic directed to your affiliate links. So you're going to need to enter in your social media or website or whatever the case is in this section over here. Now, you don't need a lot of followers. You don't need 100,000, 50,000 followers for you to get accepted. You can even use your personal social media if you do have even a small following, because I was able to get accepted when I had around 100 followers. So for now, I'm just going to enter in one of my blog websites, which is successwithbusiness.com, and click on add. Then scroll down over here and click on next. And on this next page over here where it says choose your preferred associate's ID, you can enter in anything. This is more so a username for you to be able to log into your account. So for example, I may enter in something like success 2022. Over here where it says tell us about the content that you're going to create, you just need to make sure that you put as much information as possible. But one tip that I want to give you guys is to make sure that you don't mention anything about using paid ads, because one thing that I've learned with all of the different affiliate programs that I promote is that they don't really like it when you use paid ads. So it's very important that you don't mention that you're going to use paid ads to drive traffic to your Amazon affiliate links. Then over here where it says which of the following best describes your content, whichever one that you plan on doing, you're just going to select it, whether it's a blog, whether it's a content website, whether it's a social media account. Just make sure that you select the necessary one. Then finish entering all of this other information over here, scroll down, click on finish, and that's basically the application done. And once you have been accepted accepted, you're going to be able to now get access to your dashboard, and you're also going to be able to see this gray bar, which is called site strip, at the top of any Amazon web page, which is going to help you find your affiliate links. Which now brings me on to the next point, which is which products should you be prioritizing? Which products are the best ones for you to promote, for you to make the most money? So as I already said earlier, one of the biggest cons when it comes to promoting products on Amazon is the low commission rates that they pay. But for you to make your time and effort worth it when it comes to you being able to make the most commissions possible, you need to promote products that have a higher value. And just to give you an example of what I'm talking about using two different products. So if I was going to promote anything, I would ideally want to promote something just like this. For example, a MacBook, where the price of it is around £1,100. Because if someone clicks on my link and then they buy this item, I'm going to be able to make around 70, 80, maybe up to $100 if my maths is correct. So if I'm able to find a way for me to get my affiliate links in front of 10 different people, that's going to be around $1,000. However, if I wanted to promote this item over here, which is a MacBook case, if someone buys this item using my affiliate link, I'm only going to make around $1, $2, or $3. So I'm sure that you can see the difference when it comes to which type of items are worth putting your energy into. And it doesn't even need to just be MacBooks. It could be things like cameras. For example, cameras are selling for around £1,700, £1,500. There's so many different high value items that are ready for you to promote that customers will buy, and you're going to be able to make a decent commission. Now, when it comes to the best ways for you to build up traffic, for you to get eyeballs on your affiliate links, the two best places that I always recommend is either to start a YouTube channel or to start an affiliate marketing blog, mainly because Google and YouTube are the two most visited websites in the entire world. But if you're someone that doesn't really want to show their face on camera, then maybe starting an affiliate marketing blog might be your best bet. So if we take a look at one of my recent websites, which is successwithbusiness.com, I started this website not too long ago to release articles on a regular basis to help people when it comes to making money online, whether it's how to start Shopify dropshipping, how to start affiliate marketing, 5 steps to start eBay dropshipping in 2023, etc., etc. But because I built this website in a way that is targeted towards one specific type of person, which is someone that is looking to start an online business, if I was to release an article right now titled the top 10 best laptops to use in 2023, or maybe the top 10 cameras to use for your online business, and I put my Amazon affiliate links throughout the entire article, because number one, it's going to be beneficial for the person that's reading to know that they're buying the exact same one that I'm recommending, and number two, for me to be able to now make affiliate commissions to reinvest back into the website for me to continue growing it. That's a simple way that you're going to be able to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing, by starting a website, by simply making sure that your website is targeted to one type of person. Make sure that you also build up trust with the people that are going onto your website by being consistent with the amount of articles that you're putting out on a regular basis. And also make sure that when you start your website, you center it around the topic that you have a little bit more knowledge than a common person. Because when it comes time for you to start writing your articles, you're going to be able to make sure that you're giving the reader quality information. And the more quality information that you give them, the higher your chances of you being able to make affiliate commissions. So I definitely say that starting a website is one of the best ways that you're going to be able to increase your chances of being able to make commissions with the Amazon Associates program. And if you did want to start your website, then you can use Bluehost, because right now they've got up to 70% off if you was to click that link in my description down below. And the reason why I'm recommending them is because I use Bluehost for all of my different affiliate marketing websites. Very easy to use, very easy to get things set up. But if you want to see me make a video step by step where I show you everything you need to know in detail when it comes to building your website if you're a complete beginner, then make sure you put in the comments down below, do the website video, and I'll make that ASAP. And if you want to sign up to my completely free email newsletter, where I'm going to personally send you out an email every single week where I'm going to break down various different tips and tricks to help you when it comes to making money online, then you can sign up for that newsletter by clicking the link in my description down below. And if you want to watch another video that I made not too long ago where I broke down some other steps that would definitely help you out on your Amazon affiliate marketing journey that I didn't really touch on in today's video, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that video out straight after this one, because it's already helped out over 50,000 people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.